lengthwise World Food Tour Day 28. I'm back home in Japan from this month's World Food Tour. I'll spend a few days preparing for next month's tour. Let's relax together today. Stuffed bell peppers is one of my favorite Japanese dishes. This might be similar to a dish you eat too. Let's keep cooking. Done! Yep, I know this taste. Sorry for the late introduction. Hi, I'm Joe, and this is Macchou, not here yet. I'm just an ordinary Japanese woman who cooks food from around the world, requested by my viewers right from my tiny Japanese kitchen. The June 2026 World Food Tour has come to an end, so I took a little break here in Japan. I made tangy vinegar chicken wings and some onigiri rice bowl too. I hope we can enjoy the July World Food Tour together again. If you enjoyed this video, let's continue our World Food Tour together. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. See you in my daily lives, shorts, and long videos too. Bye!